Welcome dear students in the 8th standard maths class. In the previous video we have completed 9th chapter. Now in this video we will start the 10th chapter, division of polynomial. So we will take the recap here. Some blank boxes are given here. So see the one by one example. First is twice a plus thrice a. So both are the like terms. So we take the addition of coefficient. So 2 plus 3 is a 5 and variable as it is. So answer is 5a. Second is 7b minus 4b. So 7 minus 4 is 3 and variable b as it is. So answer is thrice b. Third is 3p into p square. So in the multiplication we add the powers of variables. And if the coefficient is not given, so we take the 1. So 3 ones are 3 and p into p square is p cube, because 1 plus 2 is 3. Now fourth question, 5m square multiplied by thrice m square. So 5 3s are 15 and m square multiplied by m square is 2 plus 2 is 4, m raised to 4. So answer is 15 m raised to 4. Now fifth question, twice x plus 5y multiplied by 3 upon x. So here 3 upon x is multiplied by first term of bracket. So 3 upon x multiplied by twice x is 2 3s are 6 and this x divided by x, so it is cancelled. So no need to write down here. So here addition operation is given. So write down plus. Now 5y multiplied by 3 upon x. So 3 5s are 15 y upon x as it is. So answer is 6 plus 15y upon x. Now see the sixth question. Thrice x square plus 4y multiplied by twice x plus thrice y. So here first term of first bracket is multiplied with the second whole bracket. So thrice x square multiplied by twice x is 3 2s are 6. X square into x is x cube plus, because plus is given here, thrice x square into thrice y. So 3 3s are 9. X square into y is x square y plus, now second term of first bracket is multiplied to second whole bracket. So 4y multiplied by twice x. 4 2s are 8, y into x is xy plus 4y into thrice y. So 4 3s are 12, y into y is y square. So no like terms are here. So this is the final answer, 6x cube plus 9x square y plus 8xy plus 12y square. In this way we carry out the addition, subtraction and multiplication of algebraic expression. Now we will see the definition of polynomial. If the index of each term of an algebraic expression in one variable, because here throughout the one variable is used in each expression, correct? In one variable is a whole number. If the powers or index of each term of algebraic expression is a whole number, then the expression is called as a polynomial. See the examples here. X square plus twice x plus 3. Here the index of x is 2. 2 is a whole number. See the second term, twice x. Here the index of x is, index means power. Index of x is a 1 and 1 is a whole number. Now see the third term, 3. So the index of x is here 0, because x raised to 0 is a 1. 1 into 3 is 3. So 0 is also whole number. So means each term has the whole number index. So therefore it is a polynomial. See the second example, thrice y cube, 3 is a whole number, plus twice y square, 2 is a whole number, plus y, 1 is whole number plus 5, 0 is a whole number. Means each term has the whole number power. So these are the examples of polynomial. See this. Next is a degree of polynomial. See the sum solve example here. The greatest index of variable in the polynomial. Thrice x square plus 4x. So index of first term is 2 and index of second term is 1. So what is greater here? 2. Correct? Now see the second example. The greatest index of variable in the polynomial. See the index of each term. Here the index of first term is 3. Index of second term is 1. Index of third term is 5. Index of fourth term is 2. So 5 is a greater. So the greatest index of the variable in the given polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Very simple. Now the next topic is to divide a monomial by a monomial. First example is 15p cube divided by thrice p. See the solve example here. So firstly write down the dividend and divisor. We know that 3 5s are 15. And if we multiply p into p square, we get the p cube. So we find out the multiplier of divisor. In this way we get the dividend. Because division is the opposite operation of multiplication. So 3 5s are 15. P into p square is p cube. And take the subtraction here. So remainder is 0. Very simple. Now see the next. To divide a polynomial by a monomial. So see the solve example here. 6x cube plus 8x square divided by twice x. So write down firstly it in a division form. 6x cube plus 8x square is a dividend and twice x is a divisor. So what is the coefficient of first term of dividend? Is a 6. So we know that 2 3s are 6. And what we want? We want the x cube. So x into x square is x cube. And the another easy way, we have to write down the explanation part here. So divisor multiply by which number, then we get 6x cube. So 2 3s are 6 and x into x square is x cube. So write down here at the question part thrice x square. Then we get the 6x cube. Take the subtraction here. Subtraction is 0. Write down the next term of dividend. It is a plus 8x square. So the sign of next term is a plus. So write down here plus at the quotient. Now what we want? We want the 8. So we know that 2 4s are 8. And see the variable part. We want the x square. So x into x is x square. So our required next term is 4x. So twice x into 4x is 8x square. So take the subtraction. Remainder is 0. So our process is stop here. So write down quotient is a thrice x square plus 4x and a remainder is equal to 0. In this way we take the solution of division of polynomial. Now let us move to the practice set 10.1. In this the first question is divide, write the quotient and the remainder. In that the first sub question is 21m square divided by 7m. Very simple question. Write down solution. Firstly rewrite it in a proper form. 21m square is a dividend and 7m is a divisor. So we know that 7 3s are 21. And what we want? M square. So m is already given in the divisor. So m into m is m square. So 7m into thrice m is a 21m square. Take the subtraction here. Remainder is 0. So therefore quotient is equal to thrice m. Remainder is equal to 0. Now see the second example. 40a cube divided by minus 10a. So write down solution here and rewrite it into the proper form. 40a cube is a dividend and minus 10a is a divisor. See, the sign of divisor is minus here and the sign of dividend is a plus 40, means we want the positive. So negative multiplied by negative is positive. So sign of our quotient is minus. We know that 10 fours are 40. Correct? And a into a square is a cube. So minus 10 multiplied by minus 4 is equal to plus 40. And a into a square is a cube. Take the subtraction here. So 40a cube minus 40a cube, 0. So write down answer here. Quotient is equal to minus 4a square and remainder equal to 0. See the third question. Minus 48p raised to 4 divided by minus 9p square. So solution is, rewrite it into proper form. Minus 48p raised to 4 and divisor is minus 9p square. See the sign of divisor here, negative, and sign of dividend also negative. So the sign of divisor is positive because positive multiplied by negative is negative. So see here, 48 is not come in the table of 9. So here we have to find out the multiplier of 9. In this way we got the 48. So to find out the multiplier of 9, we take the division of 48 upon 9. So 48 upon 9 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 16 3s are 48. So we get 16 upon 3. Correct? So 9 multiplied by 16 upon 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 16 3s are 48. And what we want? We want the 48. So our required multiplier is 16 upon 3. So write down here 16 upon 3. Now see the variable part. P square into p square is p raised to 4. So 16 upon 3 p square. So therefore minus 9 into 16 upon 3 is minus 48. And p square into p square is p raised to 4. Now take the subtraction here. If we take the subtraction, then sign of second number will be changed. So this minus becomes a plus and we follow this sign. So minus 48 plus 48 is 0. So write down the answer here. Quotient is equal to 16 upon 3 p square and remainder is equal to 0. See the fourth question. 40 m raised to 5 divided by 30 m cube. So write down solution. Firstly rewrite it into proper form. 40m raised to 5 is a dividend and 30m cube is a divisor. Now see again here, 40 is not come in the table of 30. So we have to find out the multiplier of 30. In this way we get the 40. So to find out it, we take the division of 40 upon 30. So then we get 4 upon 3. Now we know that the division is the opposite of multiplication. So if we take the multiplication of 30 and 4 upon 3, then what we get? 3 tens are 30, 10 fours are 40. Then we get the 40. So our required multiplier is 4 upon 3. So 30 multiplied by 4 upon 3, then we get the 40. So 30 multiplied by 4 upon 3. Now see the variable part, m cube and m raised to 5. So if we multiply m cube with the m square, because 3 plus 2 is 5, then we get the m raised to 5. So 30 multiplied by 4 upon 3 is 40 and m cube multiplied by m square is m raised to 5. Now take the subtraction here. So 40 m raised to 5 minus 40 m raised to 5 is 0. So write down answer. Quotient is equal to 4 upon 3 m square and remainder equal to 0. Now see the fifth question. 5x cube minus thrice x square divided by x square. So firstly rewrite it into proper form. Solution: 5x cube minus thrice x square and divisor is x square. So see here, the coefficient of divisor is 1 and coefficient of dividend is a 5. So 5 ones are 5 and x square into x is x cube. So this is 5x. So x square into 5x, see here, explanation part here. X square into 5x is a 5x cube. So 5x cube, take the subtraction here, remainder is 0. Now minus thrice x square falls down. See the sign of next step, next term of divided is a minus. So here put the minus sign. Now the coefficient of next term is 3. So 3 ones are 3 is a 3 and x square into 1 is x square. So x square into 3 or minus 3 is equal to minus thrice x square. So x square into minus 3 is minus thrice x square. Now take the subtraction here. So this minus becomes the plus. So minus thrice x square plus thrice x square is 0. Write down the answer. Quotient is equal to 5x minus 3 and remainder is equal to 0. See the next example. 8p cube minus 4p square divided by twice p square. So see the explanation. Twice p square multiply by what, then we get the 8p cube. See, 2 fours are 8. P square into p is p cube. So our required term is 4p. Then we get 8p cube. Take the subtraction here. remainder is 0, minus 4p square falls down. Now see the divisor here, multiply what? Then we get minus 4p square. The sign of dividend is minus here. So sign of our multiplier is also minus. 2 2s are 4 and p square into 1 is p square. So no need to write down any variable here. So our next term of quotient is minus 2. So twice p square into minus 2 is minus 4p square. Take the subtraction here. Sign of minus 4p square is a plus. So minus p square, 4p square plus 4p square is 0. So write down here answer. Quotient is equal to 4p minus 2 and a remainder is equal to 0. Now see the next question. Twice y cube plus 4y square plus 3 divided by twice y square. So find out the multiplier of twice y square. In this way we got the twice y cube. So here in the dividend the coefficient is 2 and in the divisor coefficient is 2. So 2 ones are 2, correct? So no coefficient here. Now see the variable part y square and y cube. Then y square multiplied by y is equal to y cube. So our multiplier is y. Then we get the twice y cube. Take the subtraction here. Answer is 0. Now plus 4y falls down. So twice y square multiplied by what? Then we get the 4y square. See, 2 2s are 4 and y square into 1 is y square. So our next multiplier is plus 2. Then we get the 4y square. Take the subtraction. Remainder is 0. Now plus 3 falls down. See here, the next step of the dividend is not contain any variable term and here the divisor contain variable term. So we can't take the division here. So plus 3 is a remainder. So therefore answer quotient is equal to y plus 2 and a remainder is equal to 3. See the next example. 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x divided by 7x cube. So find out the multiplier of divisor. So what we want? We want the 21x raised to 4. So 7 3s are 21. X cube into x is x raised to 4. So our required multiplier is thrice x. Then we get the 21x raised to 4. Take the subtraction. Answer is 0. So the next term is minus 14x square. Then see here minus 14x square. 7 2s are 14. But see here, the index of divisor is a 3 and index of dividend is a 2. Means the index of dividend is less than the index of divisor. So in this situation we can't divide. If the index of dividend is less than the index of divisor, then we can't take the division. So here our process is a stop. So next step is 7x as it is and this is our remainder. So write down answer. Quotient is equal to thrice x and remainder is equal to minus 14x square plus 7x. Very simple. Now see the next example. 6x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus twice x square divided by twice x square. So firstly find out the multiplier of first term. What we want? We want the 6x raised to 5. So 2 3s are 6. X square into x cube is equal to x raised to 5 because 2 plus 3 is 5. So the required multiplier is thrice x cube. Then we got the 6x raised to 5. Take the subtraction. Remainder is 0. Next step falls down. Next term falls down. 4x raised to 4. So what we want here? Minus 4x raised to 4. So dividend has the negative sign, so our multiplier also has negative sign because negative multiplied by positive is equal to negative. So 2 2s are 4. X square into x square is x raised to 4. So our next term is minus twice x square. Then we get the minus 4x raised to 4. Take the subtraction here. This minus become plus. And the subtraction is 0. Next term falls down. That is 8x cube. Then see the explanation part. What we want? We want the 8x cube. So 2 4s are 8. X square into x is x cube. So our next multiplier is plus 4x. Then we get the 8x cube. Take the subtraction. It is 0. Now the next term falls down. Plus twice x square. So find out the next multiplier of divisor. Then we get the twice x square. So it is same. So multiply by 1. Twice x square into 1 is twice x square. So next multiplier is positive 1. Then we get the twice x square. Take the subtraction. Remainder is 0. So write down answer. Therefore answer is equal to quotient is thrice x cube minus twice x square plus 4x plus 1 and the remainder equal to 0. See the next example. 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 divided by 5m cube. So see the explanation part. What is the first term of dividend? It is a 25m raised to 4. So see the divisor 5m cube multiply by what? Then we get 25m raised to 4. So 5 5s are 25. M cube into m is equal to m raised to 4. So our multiplier is 5m. Then we get 25m raised to 4. Take the subtraction. It is 0. Now next term falls down. Minus 15m cube. So what we want now? Minus 15m cube. So see the divisor. 5 3s are 15. It is negative. So 5 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 15. Now m cube multiply by 1 is m cube. So no need to write down here 1. So our next multiplier is minus 3. Then we get minus 15 m cube. Take the subtraction here. This minus become plus. So subtraction is 0. Next term falls down. plus 10m. See here again, the index of next term is less than the index of divisor. So we can't divide this. So 10m plus 8 is a remainder. So write down answer. Quotient is equal to 5m minus 3 and the remainder is equal to 10m plus 8. Hence here the practice set 10.1 is over. Thank you.